Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. This is Geeta. This session is for class 10 mathematics chapter 2 polynomials, and the topic we are discussing is 2.3 relationship between zeros and coefficients of a polynomial. The problem we are going to solve today is from page number 33. Second problem, find a quadratic polynomial. The second problem is to find a quadratic polynomial each with the given numbers as the sum and products of its zeros respectively. So with this given numbers, we have to find the quadratic polynomial. So to find the quadratic polynomial, the formula we have to use is ax square plus bx plus c. So let's see for this first problem. First problem is 1 by 4 comma minus 1. So the formula we need is ax square plus bx plus c. So to find this a, b and c values, we have to find sum of zeros and product of zeros. So alpha plus beta equals 1 by 4. They are given here. Now we know that alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. So the terms are which is a equals 4 and b equals, which is here we have to take it as minus b equals 1, which means therefore b equals minus 1. So we have found a and b value here. Now we have to find the c value. So let's use the form product of its values. Alpha beta equals minus 1. Alpha beta equals minus 1, which means alpha beta equal to c by a. So we know that a is 4. So we need to get minus 1. In that case, we take c as minus 4. So which means we can get minus 1. By cancelling, we can get minus 1. Therefore, c will be equals minus 4. So now we have found all the a, b and c values. Now substitute all the values in this equation. So what is the a value? 4 and x square plus b values minus 1, which means minus 1 x plus c values minus 4. Now applying the signs, we can get as 4x square minus 1x minus 4. So this is always write the equation as equal to 0. So this is the quadratic polynomial of first problem. Now let's solve the second problem, which is root 2 comma 1 by 3. Second problem is root 2 comma 1 by 3. So now we know the steps. So all are similar. So again for this problem, we have to find ax square plus bx plus c. So for that, first we have to find alpha plus beta. We need to find the value of a, b and c. So we are using alpha plus beta equals root 2. This is alpha plus beta and this is alpha beta. Alpha plus beta equal to root 2, which means minus b by a. Alpha beta equals 1 by 3, which equals c by a. So from this we know that a equals 3. So in this case it should be 3. So we can substitute 3 by 3 so that this 2 cancels. So we get a as 3 and minus b equals 3 root 2, which means b equals minus of 3 into root 2. And c value is equals 1. Now we know the values. So a equals 3, b equals minus of 3 root 2 and c equals 1. Now substitute all these values in the equation. So first a, which is 3x square plus b is minus of 3 root 2 into x plus c is 1 equals 0. Now applying the signs, 3x square minus 3 root 2 x plus 1 equals 0. So this is the quadratic polynomial of this problem. The third problem is 0 comma root 5. So find for this problem. Third problem, 0 comma root 5. We have to find ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. So to find this values, we have to find alpha plus beta. So alpha plus beta equals 0, which means minus b by a equals 0. Therefore a equals 0. So minus b by a equals 0. And alpha beta equals root 5 equals c by a, which means root 5 by 1, a equals 1, c equals root 5, and this can be written as 0 by 1 will still be the 0. So therefore a equals 1 and minus b equals 0. So we have found the values of a, b, c, which is a equals 1, b equals 0 and c equals root 5. Now we have to substitute these values in the equation. So 1x square plus, substitute in this equation, plus b is 0x plus c is root 5 equals 0. So which means x square, we can, since this is 0, we can leave this, plus root 5. So x square plus root 5 equal to 0. This is the quadratic polynomial equation of this problem. Now let's solve the fourth problem, which is 1, 1. So to find this quadratic polynomial equation, we have to find ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. So to find the value of a, b and c, we have to use the sum and 0 of values. So alpha plus beta equals. So this is alpha plus beta value and this is alpha beta value. So alpha plus beta equals to 1, which is equals minus b by a. So this can be taken as 1 by 1 and alpha beta equals 1, which is equals c by a, which means 1 by 1. So from this we know that a equals 1, b minus b equals 1 and c equals 1. So a equals 1 minus b equals 1, which means b equals minus 1 and c equals 1. Now substitute all these values in this equation, ax square plus bx plus c. So a is 1, which means 1x square plus b is minus 1x plus c is 1 equal to 0. Now taking the signs, so x square minus x plus 1 equals 0. Now let's solve the fifth problem, minus 1 by 4 comma 1 by 4. To find this, we have to find the ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. So to find the values of a, b and c, we have to find alpha plus beta and alpha b. A, b and c value, we have alpha plus beta and alpha beta. So alpha plus beta equals minus 1 by 4 and alpha beta equals 1 by 4, which is equals minus b by a, and this it is equals c by a. A value are same in both of this, therefore it is a, we know that a equals 4 and b equals minus b equals to minus 1. So we can write that minus b equals minus 1, which means b equals 1. Negative cancels and c equals 1. So now substitute these values in the equation. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, which is 4x square plus 1x plus 1 equals 0. So this is the quadratic polynomial of the fifth problem. Now to solve the sixth problem, 4, 1. So sixth problem is 4, 1. Again we have to find ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. We have to find ABC values. So to find ABC values, we have to use the zeros. Alpha plus beta equals 4, which is equals minus b by a, and alpha beta equals 1, which is equals c by a. So again this can be taken as 4 by 1 and this can be taken as 1 by 1, which means a value is same in both cases. So a equals 1, a equals 1 and minus b equals 4 and c equals 1. So from this we know that a equals 1, minus b equals 4, which means b equals minus 4 and c equals 1. So now substitute these values in the equation. 1x square minus 4x plus 1 equals 0. So this is the quadratic polynomial of the sixth problem, 4, 1. So this is how this type of problems are done. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comments. And also please subscribe to get the regular updates. Thanks for watching.